Hi guys, this is Renee with One Meal at a Time. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a ham. Most people will buy ham in the grocery store and pretty much all of them are already pre-cooked. The ham that I have today, the instructions said to bake it at 325, bake it 10 to 12 minutes per pound. So we have just a few people eating today, so I have a very small ham. It's only 6 pounds, so I'll probably put it in the oven at 325 for 60 minutes. All right, so I'm trying something a little different today, and we'll make sure that the recipe is down in the bottom in the comments. But we have a glaze here, well, somewhat of a glaze. It's a brown sugar mixture. What I have here is 1 cup of brown sugar, a half a tablespoon of cinnamon, a half a tablespoon of mustard, that's just regular prepared mustard, a half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Then we have, I have a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. All right. I just have a regular foil pan here and a baking rack, and we're just going to move the ham over here to the rack. And with the mixture, all I'm going to do is just put this on and just kind of pat it on here. This is a brown sugar mixture, and I'm hoping that this makes a really good crust. We're just going to pat this all over the ham. And make it like a crust. I'm not sure if this is how some hams are prepared, but I thought this would be kind of nice to try. Just patting it all over it. Now turn this around a little bit. And if you notice, I have the cut side down. Some of it's not sticking, but I have a little water here, so I'm just going to sprinkle a little water on here to help it adhere. Yeah, because I think my ham was a little too dry. It's sitting out waiting for me to get started. I'm just going to put that all over that. I'm going to cover this with some foil, and I do have about a cup of water in the bottom of the pan too. I know some juice will get in there at the bottom of the pan, but I don't want it to brown up and dry or smoke in the oven, so just keep some foil on there. Oh yeah, that's really good. I'm just trying to make sure I just use all of it. This smells really, really good. It's just getting bathed in a Nice sugary mixture, brown sugar. Like, kind of like a scrub, actually, like a sugar scrub that I've made. We're not putting it on our body, we're putting it on this ham. All right, so pretty much got it all finished. One ingredient that I forgot to mention, I believe, is lemon juice. We did put a half a tablespoon of lemon juice in this. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but again, I'll make sure that I write down the ingredients for this mixture. Okay, I'll rinse my hands. I'll be right back. All right, I'm just gonna cover this with some foil, put it in the oven at 325. It'll cook for an hour. Okay. And that's it. I'll come back when it's all done. So now we're ready to check out our ham. It's been in the oven baking for an hour. It smells delicious. I can't wait to, oh my gosh, look at that ham. Oh my goodness, that looks awesome. It still has that seasoning that I patted on there. It smells awesome. Every slice is going to be able to get a piece of that flavor. I cannot wait to cut into this. I'll cut just a little piece just so you can see it. I'll cut just a little piece. Oh, it's cutting like butter too. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my goodness. I know I'm cutting this the wrong way, but I just want to get in here. My family's been waiting patiently to eat. Doesn't that look delicious? Let me just try a little piece. Oh, this is like heaven. And then this mix that I made, it is so good. Make sure you like the video and make sure you, that's my little grandson, he's hungry. We've got to hurry up with dinner. But make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. This has been a demonstration of cooking a ham, and it is absolutely delicious. Okay, thank you.